Alright everybody, about to head out for the Stafford 900. We'll see what becomes of this. I got a super surprise for LS George. Hopefully he wins today. It'd be really cool. But hopefully I can get him on camera. I'm about to leave out my house. I'll get another view when I get there, and hopefully we'll get some good footage today and enjoy the day. Should be a good one. Super excited for this event. We got Crown Vic races and burnouts. Let's get it done. Alright everybody, we're out here at the Stanford 900. Ready to get walking and in line. Excited to finally be here. I can't wait to get this surprise to Squirrel. Super excited about it. Got the shirt. They might rip off the sleeves. We'll see. Hat's all signed. Gotta get 3 more signatures and we'll be good. So let's get to it. I have a special gift for you, and I'll bring it. I'll probably bring it in tomorrow for the meet. I'll be here tomorrow. But it's a very special gift. I'm glad that you brought this for me back.
They give the 1 to go signal, and we are going to go green next time by.
Give them a wave, gang. Give them a big wave. Let's go. Take care of that right front tire. We've got 90 laps. Just be smooth, be patient, stay out of trouble. But you know what I tell you right now? Reach up there, pull those belts right.
And we are back racing again here at Stafford. Time Ron.
Jordan Jackson back
Ron Priest is not back from the Microsoft side. He has used it a lot.
I don't know how much he's going to have later in the race, and I want to keep that in mind as some of these
Let me catch them now. No, he's lighting off his ass at the halfway.
I was born July 4th, 1776. I have the pride of a nation deep in my veins, with a population of over 330 million souls. I am American football, beer and burgers at a tailgate party. I am the bald eagle flying high above. I am the original fuck around and find out country of the world. I am a flag in every classroom, on front lawns. I am America. I'm Washington, Abe Lincoln, and John F. Kennedy, standing strong and proud. I'm hundreds of automotive workers of Detroit, Michigan. I am powerful. I am huge, 300,000 square miles of lush fields, rolling hills, desert and valleys. I am the Democratic Party crying and complaining over everything. I am the Republican seeing past the bullshit and standing strong. I am the God-fearing lambs of the world. I am Joe Biden, forgetting who I am. I'm Kamala Harris. I am Donald Trump, trying to make America great again. I am America. I am large cities and small towns. I'm the rivers and lakes of Minnesota, the cheesemakers of Wisconsin, the gun owners of Texas. I stood strong on September 11th, 2001. as the world changed forever. And in 2020 when they rioted in the streets in Capitol, I was there for the world during COVID pandemic.